वक्त की बड़ी खबर कोरोना वबा के हवाले से है। कोरोना के खिलाफ जनवरी तक हिंदुस्तान की अपनी वैक्सीन आ जाएगी। सिर्फ 1.5 महीने बाद हिंदुस्तान कोरोना वैक्सीन के मामले में खुद कफील हो जाएगा। दूसरी अच्छी खबर यह है कि जून जुलाई तक मुल्क के 30 करोड़ लोगों को कोरोना की वैक्सीन दे दी जाएगी। यानी 7 महीने बाद मुल्क के 30 करोड़ लोगों को कोरोना की वैक्सीन मिल जाएगी। और मरकजी वजीर सेहत डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन क्या कह रहे हैं, आइए सुनते हैं।
I want to dream just now that when India completes 75 years of independence, we want to deliver a new India to all Indians, where we can have a smile on everybody's face, we can give good education, health and nutrition facilities to every child, we can take care of the security and safety of every woman, we can take care of the self-respect of the elderly and all. And then he says, I want an India where only humanism and nationalism, things like that will prevail. And he said, please dream with me. Please blend your individual dreams in my dream for a new India. And that's how this journey, and now is talking about this Atmanirbhar Bharat. Every day is talking about strengthening the local component in our mindset. And there are so many things that he has announced that time doesn't allow us to talk about all that. But I think all of us, COVID has taught us that we, as a health minister, I feel that it has brought health to the center stage now. And health, which probably deserved much more attention all over the world, has started getting more attention in terms of strengthening. We have a very ambitious plan over the next few years, where if we have a similar pandemic or something like that, we can have better infrastructure for testing, for infectious diseases, for surveillance, for communicable diseases and many things like that, even at the grassroots level. I will not discuss all that right now, but COVID has what we call as COVID appropriate behavior, and the new normal that has developed in the society, the changes that have been now advocated in terms of what we call as guidelines right now. But I think these guidelines have changed our perception. We already had this mechanism. We knew there was a digital way of communicating, but we were never using it. We have never realized that this is a less time consuming, this is a more environment friendly and more committed worthy way of communicating. And as I said earlier, we have been able to communicate with in the last 10 months. Although I used to travel all over the country, I have visited all scientific laboratories and every institution, but in the 10 months I have done so much through the video conferencing, and the whole country and the Prime Minister and all, every day there is a international meeting. Today also it's a Thursday. Every Thursday at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock we communicate with all the health ministers of the whole world through the WHO platform. So this is, I think, this is a sort of a blessing in disguise for the whole. And I fondly remember that the first cabinet note, one of the few cabinet notes that the Prime Minister had, was about the digital India at that time, and we can see the impact. So COVID, I would say, it has reminded us of many things, and the austerity and all that we are supposed to be following, the time that we used to be, we had probably forgotten even our own family members. We had even forgotten that you need to spend good quality time with your family, with your parents, with your children. I think that the COVID has taught us all that. And these are the positive changes that have happened in the society. And the way the social functions and other things are, being organized, maybe because of COVID. But some of the things that have, I think, that appear to have been forced upon us right now, I think they are like a blessing in disguise for this new normal. I personally feel many of the components of the new normal, they should stay forever, whether COVID is there or COVID is not there, whether COVID is gone or not. At least people have started realizing that you could spend some of your good time protecting your health, some of your good time spending time on walking or doing some